Jeff Daniels urges Republicans who voted for Trump to lose money. In a recent podcast, Jeff Daniels expressed his hopes for financial loss among Trump-supporting Republicans. Daniels criticized Mitch McConnell's long-term court stacking strategy, linking it to current economic outcomes. He believes the repercussions of past political decisions are now manifesting in financial struggles. The actor's comments reflect a growing divide in American political and economic perspectives. Daniels' remarks sparked conversations about accountability in political affiliations and financial consequences. Stay updated with our latest insights and subscribe now.